Hello dear friends, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This channel where you get all the kinds of important updates regarding all teaching examinations, especially HSTR, GPSTR, Karnataka TET examinations. So today's video is very much important because so many students has messaged me that share question papers of paper 1. So here I am trying to share the question paper of 2003, later 2004, 5, 6, till the year I will share, till the recent year I will share all the question papers. Okay. So and also soon we are going to start our GPSTR classes for free. So if you haven't subscribed it, then please subscribe our channel. Okay. As I told, this is 2003 paper. So after my second video I will share the further question papers. Okay. So kindly subscribe our channel. This is the combined competitive examination for recruitment of high school teachers 2003. So from question number 1 to 6 you can take easily screenshot. Okay. If I read all the questions, then it will become too much long video. Okay. I don't want to read any question. You just take the screenshot. 7 to 11. Take the screenshot. And one more thing. If the picture is not clear, then you can improve your picture quality from your phone. Okay. Next. So this is the question paper. Question number 12. 12 to 15 you take the screenshot. I hope it is clear to all of you. Next. Take the screenshot. I will stand for few seconds. Once again I will go to the previous questions so it could be clear to all of you. So question number 26 to 30 you take the screenshot once again. Next. 31 to 34 it is clear, you take the screenshot. Next. Okay, that's it friends. These are 37 questions. In my next video I will upload the remaining questions. Okay. So there are total 100 questions. 120 minutes, it means 2 hours. So in this video I shared only this much of questions. Okay. In my immediate next video I will going to upload the remaining questions. And what about key answers, you might be thinking. So here are the key answers. You just have a glance. So these are the key answers. Take the screenshot. Once again I want to tell you, if the picture quality is not clear, then improve your picture quality from your phone. Okay. So we will in my next video we will upload the question papers for CBZ students. Okay. For social science CBZ I will upload all of their question papers. You don't worry, you just have to do one thing. You just have to subscribe my channel. Okay. So thank you for watching.